What are you eating? What are you eating? Everything. On to day 3 of Orlando. Hurricane Debby has passed. We're going to Animal Kingdom. Yes, the sun has arrived, finally. And we're going to go to Animal Kingdom today. And then maybe Hollywood Studios if we get through it quick, but definitely Animal Kingdom. Woo! You see some animals? Thought that was in Busch Gardens.
No. Oh, there is a Busch Gardens.
Oh.
I don't look our way.
We got a proper Jeep.
What are you excited to see?
Giraffe.
A giraffe. Probably the one animal they don't have.
They do?
Do they?
Yeah,
That's okay then.
gorillas, giraffes, elephants, hippos.
Ah, that sounds exciting.
Rides.
Hi. We're going to go on some rides. Rawr. Woo.
It's a snapping turtle, isn't it?
Does it want to die or something?
How funny. Oh, it stopped.
Making that noise. Oh, I can see it through your phone.
Hello. How do I look?
Like a girl.
I'm a girl. Excited?
Can we walk?
Can we? Animal Kingdom, we are in you.
Got it.
It's very sunny. I'm filming the tree.
Tree of life.
Tree of
Yeah?
life.
Oh yeah.
Train coming. Going to see Rafiki.
Choo choo. Can you see, Oliver? Choo choo.
Here we go. Run away. Chugga chugga chugga.
Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados al respaldo de la banca. Y por favor, vigilen a los niños.
Yes! If those who didn't hear, we're going to be drawing Mufasa. Yes, all right. Now, to make sure that we can draw him, we need something important.
That's good, Mufasa.
Now, even if you do have that near perfect drawing, I don't have the power to hire you anyway. The movie's already done. It's been 30 years. They don't need your help anymore.
Hey Oliver, where does the cow like to go?
He did say it. I think it's pregnant.
Bacon.
It's not a pig.
Does it not care about being screwed?
Apparently not. Oliver, look, the sheep. Yeah. Let me go stroke it. Look, come here, quick.
Hi.
I'm just like chasing them.
They just laugh.
Go on then, stroke a piggy. They're all furry, aren't they? Down. Go on, Oliver, stroke it. Gentle. Good boy. She's feeding him over there, look. So there we go. Gentle. Good boy. You stroke it inside, Oliver. Oh, the sheep, look. Down. Excited.
Are these fast?
Quite fast, not really fast. Just a bit rocky. Let go, Oliver, so it'll open.
Animal spotting guide. Now,
Oliver, you see all those animals? You got to look
see
for
all
them.
these animals, but I think I've pretty good luck so far. Hey, quick show of hands. Is this anyone's first time on the reserve? Oh, hey, me too. That's awesome. Just kidding. Actually got a couple of safety rules before we get out there. Just make sure we are staying seated with those hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the truck for the entire safari. Also, friends, for the best possible animal viewing experience, I highly recommend we try to stay as half horns. You'll notice these horns are tilted backwards so they can quickly dive through the bushes to escape predators, not get tangled up in those bushes. Those stripes pattern in their coat, is 10 to 15 vertical stripes. It's kind of to help mimic their natural environment for camouflage. This one's a female with the shoulders sitting about 5 inches tall. It's a little hard to spot, but laying down next to us off to the left is a black
See the rhino up there?
The smaller of the two rhino species on the reserve, bringing feet in length, which is that canopy above you from side to side. They can also sustain flight for almost 24 hours straight, covering almost
24 hours.
miles.
That's insane.
Off to the left is the
hippo underwater, look, Oliver.
Hippopotamus. Weighing upwards of about 4 to 5 crocodile, which averages a length of 16 feet, an average weight of 500 pounds.
Some in the water
Crocodiles
too.
are what we call ectothermic. Make sure we're sitting down back there. You might also mention now they're also some of the most efficient predators on the savanna, working together to bring down
You see them,
much
Oliver?
larger than themselves. Usually the antelope are one
Antelope.
of the few antelope species that will stand their ground whenever there
Antelope,
are predators
yeah.
nearby. Using those horns in self-defense, the brown in their fur
Got a one
can
here
typically
too,
die
look.
with age.
Closer one.
That's a group of females over there. Females usually live together in a herd in the territory
Yeah,
of a
there's one stood up there,
solitary
look.
male.
See its bum.
Now, off to the left, that is a Maasai
see the giraffe?
giraffe. I can tell it's a Maasai giraffe because the jagged structure to its coat. That pattern is unique to each. This one that we're seeing right now is the mountain zebra. The most agile, best climb is the mountain zebra. I can tell these are mountain zebra because of a little flap of skin on their neck called a dewlap, which helps to regulate their body temperature. They're the only zebra species that has it. A group of zebras called a dazzle. Just like with those giraffe, that pattern is also unique to each animal. Here. I might have to quickly hit the brakes, so just kind of be ready.
There's a baby,
She's
Oliver,
still getting
look.
used to all the trucks.
See down the side?
Yes, she was born
Down
here
there.
just a few months ago.
Baby zebra.
Tens of thousands. Sometimes all those
Wait,
wildebeest
keep
herds
looking,
come together
you'll
to
see
form
it.
a super herd of up to
Wait, look how Daddy's
1.5
side.
million.
Watch. There it
At
is.
one point in time, that herd of
See it?
wildebeest was so large, the dust cloud they were kicking up could have been seen from space. They'll travel over 1,000 miles through the Serengeti, chase the rains for grazing grounds. Like
Flamingos.
When they're born, they're not born that pink color. When they're done, they're
secure in this vehicle.
Also using lots of rocks and sticks in their environment to sharpen and style their horns. Guys, make sure we're not yelling at the rhinos, please. Stop yelling at the rhinos. Also, they're nearsighted. At nighttime, their eyesight's bright. Their eyesight is 6 times greater than
Move
it is
faster.
during the day. During the day, it's very similar to ours. It's the female lions who do all the hunting, while the male lions going to sit back to protect their cubs.
Oh, I think what does yours do?
Tilt forward and backwards.
That's what I thought mine did.
Look, I'll go up now.
Like it, Oliver? Whee!
Not really.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drop us a comment, hit that thumbs up button, and subscribe for more content.